Delavan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 3:45 a.m. At 2:54 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Delavan, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Como, Richmond, Abels Corners, Gibbets, Allen's Grove, Millard, and Delavan Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio.